Hello guys, good morning. I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see Apache SQOOP questions and answer part 2. So let's see this session and welcome to my channel. First question, we are going to see how to import all tables from RDBMS to HDFS. So answer is by using import -all -tables keyword. By this keyword we can import all tables from RDBMS to HDFS. So this is the statement: scoop space import -all -tables space --connect space jdbc :mysql :/localhost/movies. Here I am using MySQL RDBMS and I use movies database. You can use any other RDBMS and your database. And I use --username space root. I use here my username. You can use your database username and password. So space --password space my password space --fields-terminated-by space /t, it means tab, space --warehouse-dir space /user/yt/allMoviesTables space -m space 1. And when we hit enter, then SQOOP will import all these tables of movies database to this warehouse directory. So like this way, let's see the question second. Question second is how to list entire database of a RDBMS. So answer is by using list-databases keyword. We can list entire database of a RDBMS. So here is the statement: SQOOP space list-databases space --connect space, this is the connection string. So by this way, when we press enter, then it will list all the databases of this RDBMS. So let's see the question third. Question third is, does SQOOP have a default database? So answer is yes, SQOOP have MySQL is the default database. So let's see the question 4. Question 4 is how many reducer runs in SQOOP? So answer is 0 reducer runs in SQOOP. Now let's see the question 5. Question 5 is purpose of target directory. What is the purpose of target directory? So answer is when we import a table from RDBMS to HDFS using SQOOP, then imported content placed somewhere on the HDFS location, and that location is known as target directory. So this is the target directory. When anyone asks you that what is the target directory and what is the purpose of target directory, then you can say this answer. The question 6 is, does SQOOP use MapReduce? So answer is yes, SQOOP use MapReduce internally. Internally, SQOOP uses MapReduce to import and export the data. So like this way, let's see the question 7. By default, how many mappers run in SQOOP? By default, how many mappers run in SQOOP? So answer is by default 4 mappers run in SQOOP. So this is all about in part 2. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.